Good morning, everyone. My name is Jeevan Gowda Chisi. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Michael English School. I am talking about my proud of my mother. My mother, most important and favorite person in my world. My mother name is Shailaja. She is best friend. She is get up early in the morning. She will cook my favorite food. She is humble and kind. She is help studies, teaches good habits. She take care of my health. She is she is my pride. My I am talking my favorite teacher, Jivita ma'am. She is good teacher. She is kind and friendly. She is hardworking. She is also teach to be also good. Thank you.